Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Nige, top of the plots. We've been to ALDI. I've been looking for a circular saw to use up the allotment. I've been checking around various prices. I was looking at them. I normally get the Makita brand because they tend to last longer. But I've seen this one on the shelf, coming just under £50. So I've given it a go. I've picked one up, and this is it. So there we are. So we've got, let's have a look to see what's in here.
Lots of cardboard.
Yeah, that's the charger. The battery. Yeah, 18 volts, so it's going to be quite powerful, and it's going to be quite useful for cutting timber up allotment as we have no electricity. It's quite a decent looking machine.
Well, straight out of the box, isn't it? We've not.
Yeah.
I think the instructions.
There's a cutting blade.
Some blade on it.
Yeah. Quite.
What's the weight on it?
Yeah, there's a tidy weight on it. Yeah. Doesn't feel light and flimsy. You know what I mean? You should cut straight through the kitchen table.
Lovely.
Which.
Thank you, I need a new table.
There's the instructions.
What's that login?
That goes on. I think it's a dust catcher here somewhere.
Oh right, okay.
Yeah. So that's that.
Anything else in the box? Just lots of cardboard.
Oh, there's a couple of spare blades.
Wow.
We don't normally get them, and we got a straight edge.
So you got spare blades as well? That is unusual because normally
they different thickness. The teeth are quite close together for cutting different materials. There's two blades in there, two spare. I should imagine that's for something like chipboard. And it'll probably say on it what it's.
Yeah. Oh well. Next thing you know then is to actually
use a straight edge, which is going to be quite handy.
Well, for £50, well, a couple of pence short of 50 quid.
Yeah, it'll slide in there. It'll slide in there, tighten down on that. It'll go on both sides. So when you're running the saw then, with my glasses, up like something like that, you can actually put that on there.
That's a guide.
And transfer the straight edge onto where the blade is.
So first impressions before we nip to the video to show you using it?
I'm pleased with it. For £50, I am pleased with it.
Okay.
Because I got a lot of cutting now to do up the allotment.
Yeah, because you were on about getting a solar system installed, so that's
my next plan.
That's on the back
if anyone out there which has put a solar panel on their shed allotment or their polytunnel glasshouse, whatever, please get in touch and let me know the outcome. Was it worth it? Yes or no? We've read through instructions now, and before you can start using the machine, they say in the instructions you've got to charge this up until this light will go green, and then you're ready to go then. They're saying do not use it until this battery is fully charged. If you try using it without charging the battery, you could damage the battery. don't know if you can hear me okay because it's quite windy today. We need to take a small piece off your, what we're going to do, we're going to, it's called rip a piece off here and try and make it a little bit narrower. See if this saw is up to the job. Oh, that's not bad, is it? Hmm? That's pretty straight too. What's happening? The gaps are too far apart. So when I put the long pieces in, there's still a gap. So you're cutting this off to make it a little bit narrower. And when you pull the nails out, don't throw them away. Reuse them. For 50 quid, this is a good saw. I recommend this to anyone. It's cut through these effortless. The cut is good. It's got a guide on it. Easy to adjust. You can use that as a guide. You mark your timber, you follow that notch with your line. It's brilliant. It's 50 quid, I can't get over it. I was going to buy another brand, 160 quid, and that would have been without the battery and without the charger. So there we are, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what I'm doing, and don't forget, get out there and do a bit. Thank you. Bye.